Welcome kids, welcome to today's online English class. As we have done the revision in the last two classes, today also we will be continuing with the revision for online class 2. So you can write in your notebook revision 3. That means we are doing the revision for the third day. And today we are going to revise the fifth topic for the revision. Okay. So you can write Roman number 5 there. The last classes we have revised about the synonyms and we have revised about adjectives, and yesterday we revised about contractions, right? And now we are going to revise about gender revision is also over. We have changed the particular noun into its opposite gender from the sentence. And now we are going to revise about possessive adjectives. It may be fill in the blanks with the correct possessive adjective, or it may be take the correct possessive adjective. You may be given 2 to 3 possessive adjectives, or choose the correct possessive adjective from the list which is given, so as you may get any pattern based on the topic possessive adjective. Okay, so I am going to give you practice for fill in the blanks. But don't expect the same pattern in the exam sheets. It may be choose the correct answer, it may be pick out, it may be to write down, or choose, or it may be to circle, whatever it may be. Okay. Fill in the blanks with, you can write a question, correct, possessive adjective. Write down. Come on, write down. Come on. Fill in the blanks with the correct possessive adjective. Now look at the sentence. First one, Ram. It's dash bad. Ram, it's dash bad. If you know the possessive adjective, what should be used here, you can type in your live chat. Yeah, Ahana Gupta wrote the answer. Ram, it's your bag. Suppose Ram was forgotten and somebody is reminding him, Ram, it's your bag. Now, Nina looks pretty Nina looks pretty in dash new frock. Nina looks pretty in dash new dress. If you know the answer, you can type it in the lecture column. All children should participate in the live chat by writing the answer. Yes. Neena looks pretty in her new frock. Okay, wet. Dash dog is wet. Suppose you have a dog. How will you say? Dash dog is wet. You have a pet dog. Then how you will feel or what you will feel here? As a possessive adjective. Dash dog is wet. Yes. It is my dog is wet. Suppose you have a dog, then you will not write about others, right? You will write about yourself only. So it is my dog is wet. Raju is dash dust friend. Again, next sentence is here itself. Raju is dash dust friend. Dash father is a doctor. You have to fill two possessive adjectives here. You have to fill two possessive adjectives, children. Yes. Raju is my best friend and dash his father is a doctor. Dash father is a doctor. Raju is my best friend, okay? Dash father is a doctor. When you are writing the first letter in a sentence, it should be capital letter. Is it like this? Raju is my best friend and my father is a doctor. You are talking about Raju, right? So you are writing Raju is my best friend. Dash father is a doctor. Yes, the answer has come. His father. But H should be capital letter, my dear. Now question number 5. We kept dash books in the bags. We kept dash books in the bags. We, you must consider the pronoun which we have used for starting this sentence. We kept dash books. We kept whose book? Yes, the answer has already come. We kept dash books in the bags. We kept our books in the bags. We kept our books in the bag. So kids, I hope you have completed writing this exercise, and now we will do more exercises with the help of some more sentences. Dash dog is sick. Again, dog. Dash dog is sick. Whose dog is this? Dash dog is sick. Whose dog is sick? Suppose you have a dog, then how you will write? Yes. My dog is sick. Sentence number 7. The pandas are hunted for the pandas, you know, you might be knowing that panda is a beautiful animal which has a lot of fur on its body, right? So the pandas are hunted for dash fur. Whose fur? Panda has a lot of fur, and you know panda is an endangered animal now. There are very few pandas left in the world because we human beings, those who are very greedy and cruel, has hunted these beautiful animals in large number for its fur. So here the pandas are hunted for dash fur. Whose fur is that? Children, the spelling is wrong. Yes. Now Praveen Naityam has written the correct spelling. Ahana, you have to take care about your spelling. The pandas are hunted for their fur. Okay. The pandas are hunted for their fur. Now we have written 7 sentences and solved this possessive adjective exercise. Based on this, you will be getting some other exercises in your Google Classroom. Solve it and send to me. Today I am telling you to take care about the spelling of there. It is there is a demonstrative adjective. Okay. And here we are learning possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives there. There. Now, write down fast, and those who couldn't complete writing these exercises within the class time can go to my YouTube channel tomorrow and write the notes from the YouTube channel at your convenience and at your time. Those who have completed the notes and exercises of the unit online test 2 portion, immediately complete it from your notes, whatever I have sent in Google Classroom or in the WhatsApp, because the exam is fast approaching. Okay, those who didn't join the Google Classroom, immediately join. Okay, Subhiksha. So now let's solve another exercise that is based on degrees of comparison. Again, adjective only, but degrees of comparison. Pick the correct form of adjective. So you can write Roman number 6. Pick the correct form of adjective. This is Roman number 6. You may write in a new page if you want. Manu's bag is heavy, heavier, heaviest than Sonu's. Write down. Heaviest than Sonu's bag. Manu's bag is heavy, heavier, heaviest than Sonu's bag. We have learned degrees of comparison, right? Comparative degree, superlative degree, and positive degree. So when we discussed about these 3 forms of adjectives, I told you the base form is called positive degree. For example, heavy is positive degree, base form of the adjective. Now, when we compare one noun and its quality with another noun, that means when we are comparing the qualities of 2 nouns, then we will use comparative degree. We form comparative degree by adding IER or ER. IER we will use where the adjective ends with the Y. Otherwise, we use ER with the adjective to form the comparative degree. Another method or another way of forming comparative degree is by adding more before the long adjectives. That means the adjectives which has more than 2 syllables. We use more in front of it to form the comparative degree or comparative degree of adjective. And always remember, we use comparative degree to compare 2 things. When we are comparing the quality of 2 things or 2 persons, we use comparative degree. And superlative degree is used to compare the quality of more than 2 people or 2 things. Okay? And the superlative degree is formed by adding EST at the or IEST at the end of the adjective. Another form of making superlative degree is by adding most before the superlative, most before the longer adjectives. Okay. And when I taught this topic, I told you, you can identify whether we have to use comparative or superlative degree in a sentence by seeing 2 words. One is than. If you can identify or you can see than in a sentence, after the space of the adjective, then compulsory you have to use their comparative adjective. And if you find the before the adjective, then you have to use superlative degree, because it is compulsory to use the article the before a superlative degree. Now, Manu's bag is heavy, heavier or heaviest than Solu's bag. First of all, here you see, we are comparing the bags of Manu and Solu. How 2. So I told you, if we are comparing the qualities of two people, two animals or two things, then we will use comparative degree. So here again I told you, if the adjective is ending with y, we add IER to form the comparative degree. Yes, now many of you started writing the answer. So heavy, heavier, heaviest. Out of this, heavier is the correct one. So pick it. Manu's bag is heavier than Sonu's bag. Preeti has the sweetest in the poem. Preeti, you may be using two E, right? Okay. Preeti has the sweeter or sweetest or sweet voice in the choir. Choir means group of people, those who are singing in the church or for some particular religious functions, right? Usually it is mentioned to speak about this choir, the word is used to speak about the people, those who are singing in the church. So Preeti has the sweeter voice or sweetest voice or sweet voice. First of all, you see, we are comparing Preeti's voice with that of all the members in the choir, right? We are comparing Preeti's voice not with another person. That means we are not comparing Preeti's voice with the two people, but we are going to compare, or we are comparing here the voice of Preeti with more than two people, with all the members in the choir. So what form will be using here? Yeah, we use superlative degree, because I told you we use superlative degree to compare the quality of more than two people or two things. So here Preeti's voice is compared with more than two people. So we have to find, and also I told you, if you see article the before an adjective is placed, then it is compulsory you have to use superlative degree. So here the superlative degree is sweetest degree. Okay. Now last example. Harsh is a dash driver, bravest boy. Harsh is a dash boy. Bravest. Here you analyze the sentence. I am describing the quality of Harsh. But here we are not comparing Harsh's quality with any other person or any other thing. And we are not comparing Harsh's quality with not more than two people or two things also. We are just plainly saying about Harsh's quality. So, what should be the adjective which we are using here? Should it be positive or comparative or superlative? Harsh is a dash boy. Harsh is a brave boy, because we are not comparing his quality with other people. Krishna, I didn't stop the class for typing times. Okay? Children, write down this notes in your notebook. Those who couldn't complete within this online class, please refer my channel. The link is given in your WhatsApp group. Okay. So here I end my class till we meet tomorrow.